Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a wig tutorial. Now starting off, I had to flat twist her hair because your girl does not know how to cornrow properly. Don't come for me, but it's okay. I just had to flat twist her hair so it can lay properly under the wig, and I did like 5 big ones. It doesn't really matter because she had a wig cap anyways. And yeah, that's my skill for right now, and that's what I did. Yes, it's a black wig cap, but it's okay. It doesn't have to be flesh tone. Of course, flesh tone is better, but this was good. As long as you put makeup on it, you'll be good and you finesse it right. Don't be coming out here with no black scalp, but we did it. We made it work, guys. So her wig is from AliExpress and it's so bomb. I love it. It's super soft and it's a bob. So I'm living for it, guys. I'm living. Anyways, so first thing I'm doing is taking away some of her hair just to leave it out of her face so I can cut some of that, what's it called, lace, I can't even remember, some of the lace so I can fit it to her hairline so it's not sticking out in places. And of course I use my Got To Be glue to lay it down. So I'm focusing on just laying down the lace right now, and then the next step will be finessing those baby hairs so they won't be flying all the way. Okay, let me stop. Okay, so I'm doing that on the next side and I'm using my Got To Be glue. It's not harsh, guys. This is like the perfect glue for lace wigs and laying it down. All you have to do is wash it off with warm water and you're good, trust me. So after I laid the lace down, I held it down for like 2 minutes and we were good. I don't use a blow dryer, I don't have time for that. So now I'm just taking away her baby hairs and clipping away the rest so I can finesse these hairs, you know. So of course I'm gonna cut some of them because it was long and the wig was already kind of plucked and I didn't want to pluck it more so she's bald headed in the front. That makes no sense. So I just cut some of it and just did my little baby hairs with my toothbrush and just followed her hairline just to make it look cute. Ain't no steps, no rules to this, guys. It's just finessing, to be honest. So I'm just laying her baby hairs according to how it's cut and how her face structure is, I guess, and clipping away that. Now this tool right here is an old mascara one, so there's no mascara on it, but it's already old, so I just use it to comb out some of her baby hairs. I use this because sometimes when I lay my baby hairs it gets clumpy and no, we don't want that. So I comb through it with that and it works perfectly. I'm doing the same thing on the other side because how would it look if I didn't? I don't know. So I'm just laying the other side of her hair, you know, combing through with a toothbrush. Now this part, I tried to straighten her hair, you know, it's already straight, but I wanted to give her a side part. But as you guys can see in the next clip, it was just not having it. It just wanted to square up. It just, I don't even know. But I told her that if she wanted a side part, she'd have to wash the wig or wet the front part and then do the side part, and then it will lay better because wigs are better with parts when it's wet and then you dry it. Yeah, so it was just not having it at this moment, so I just had to give in and do the middle part, and I'm just straightening some parts that I felt needed to be straightened over. And honestly, guys, this was really it. It's not hard. The crucial step is to lay your hair down so it stays all day. You just need 10 minutes of this and guys, you're good. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Look at the end results. She's fly, she's fleeky. Thank you guys so much and I'll see you in the next video.